In this video, I'll show you how you can install Instagram app on your mobile phone. So this is my mobile phone. So to install Instagram, I click on Play Store and I click on the search button. I type in Instagram. And it will prompt me for me to install Instagram. Then I click on it. By clicking on it, it will try to download the app and install on my phone. So the app is installed on my phone. 94%. $99. %. And the app is installed on my phone. So when the app completes installing on I open Instagram by clicking on open my Instagram. This is my Instagram account.